Alright, we were at the Washington Street Mill, the same place where we found that 1996 Pine State. There's the date and time, it's 12:43 p.m. We just found this old, vintage Payne freight elevator, if you would call it.
We know when to stop.
Alright, I'll tell you when.
Sounds like.
Is it all the way up? Oh my god. Alright, I'm my camera to the window. Alright, ready, and...
I don't know.
Is it down there? I don't know if it is. Let me figure it out. Let me try it.
I don't want to trip that limit.
Which way did you try first? Up?
Hang on. It looks like it might be. Try down.
Is it coming?
Yep.
Alright,
Yep,
sweet.
it's coming. Yep. Up it.
Oh, okay, whoops. Alright. Stop. Alright. Oh, that's perfect. Do you want to open it? Alright, I'm gonna hold it so it doesn't slam. Don't worry, we are not taking a ride on it. We're just leaving it how it is. There's the cab view.
I do not trust this at all.
Here's the fixtures.
Somebody put a sticker on it.
1942, 150 feet a minute.
Bennett, let's
Here's the
just go.
fixtures.
Let's
Payne elevator. Alright, so we'll close the gate. Make sure not to let it slam. Now we'll get the door. Here, I'll get this. And there it goes. And that's it. Hopefully we can get a ride on this soon.